onwards and upwards to lesson 3 of CryptoZombies. Advanced solidity concepts. Not bad, nearly halfway through this first beginner to intermediate course, and then they do have this extra one down here which will probably take me about 6 years to get to, but let's just keep it simple. Well, keep it simple with advanced solidity concepts. Bring it on. Chapter 1. The Immutability of Contracts. Put it to the test. Let's update our code from lesson 2 to be able to change the CryptoKitties contract address. Delete the line of code where we had hard-coded CK address. Change the line where we created kitty contract to just declare the variable, i.e. don't set it equal to anything. Create a function called setKittyContractAddress. It will take one argument, address, and there should be an external function. Inside the function, add one line of code that sets kitty contract equal to kitty interface underscore address. Note, if you notice a search call with this function, don't worry, we'll fix it in the next chat. I never get this, but it's nice that they've put in it. But maybe the stars will align and I will get it. Okay. Lesson 1, sorry, put it as section 1, delete the line of code that will hardcode secret address. Done. Change this to just a declaration. Change the line where we created kitty contract. Did we create kitty contract? Just declare the variable. I'm unsure about this bit. Section 2. So come back to that later. And then create a function called setKitty contract address. Set kitty contract address. We'll take one argument. Which will be an address. Create a function called setKitty contract address. So can you set it as just an address as a address? So uint address seems like you can do. Underscore address. External. Oh, wrong brackets. That's right, isn't it? So for a function. Yeah. Kitty interface address. So function setKitty address. So it's just this bit here that I'm confused about, because change the line where we create a kitty contract to just declare the variable. Can I just leave it like that? I think this is wrong. but I don't really know what this one can be. And it is also saying that kitty contract equals kitty interface underscore is wrong as well. Which I'm not too sure. I don't think I've... It's not really telling us anything new here. You're joking. Yes, kitty interface can. I don't really know what that's declaring though. Kitty interface is what? Kitty contract. I can't believe that all that was missing was semicolons. And I assume this is the same as well without looking down. Let's try again. Yeah. Damn it, semicolons, not again. Okay. Let's do chapter 2, Ownable Contracts. Put it to the test. We've gone ahead and copied the code of Ownable Contract into a new file, ownable.sol. Let's go ahead and make Zombie Factory inherit from it. Modify the code to import the contents of ownable.sol. If you don't remember how to do it, take a look at zombie feeding. So I think it is, without looking, import /dot /. Let's do /. That's all in /ownable.sol. That's me predicting. Modify the zombie contract to inherit from Ownable again. Take a look at zombie feeding. So inherit here. So I believe inherit just means is ownable. This is purely on trying to remember stuff. And if I get this right, I've learned stuff. No. Oh, ownable. Okay. All I need to do is reference. Okay, I got that right. Ah. Guess what I forgot? Guess what I forgot? I forgot the semicolons. That's what I forgot. So that should be right. So Zombie Factory. So it should be. Ah, is it because it's ownable as in ownable? If it that was a 90% surely. Yeah. I learned that. I'm proud of that. Chapter 3, onlyOwner function. Put it to the test. Now we can restrict access to setKitty contract address so that no one but us can modify it in the future. Add the onlyOwner modifier to setKitty contract. So I need to external, so this will be onlyOwner here. So I'm using the renounce ownership one because it did mention that in the text, that essentially that requires onlyOwner. A little bit worried because it's not changed colour. That's normally a hint that something's amiss. This is calling it as external, which we do want. Or do we want this public? This might be public. So function, this is what we want. Only owner can do that. And setKitty contract address. Correct. Good stuff. Chapter 4, gas. put it to the test. In this lesson we're going to add two new features to our zombies, level and ready time. The latter will be used to implement a cooldown timer to limit how often a zombie can feed. So let's jump back to zombie factory.sol. Thank you. Add two more properties to our zombie struct level, a 32, uint 32, and ready time, also uint 32. We want to pack these data types together, so let's put them at the end of the struct. 32 bits is more than enough to hold the zombie's level and timestamp, so this will save us some gas costs by packing the data more tightly than using a regular uint. Okay, so it's just putting it here, adding the new data type. So uint 32, and you want level, semicolon, and uint 32. Try and spell it correctly, 32, and then we want ready time. Okay, that's all well and good. Check answer. Pretty promising. Chapter 5, time units. Okay, let's actually put it to the test. Declare uint called cooldown time as set it equal to 1 days. Equal to 1 days. 2. Since we added a level and ready time to our zombie struct in the previous chapter, we need to update CryptoZombie to use the new arguments when we create the new zombie struct. So this means we need to add level and uint 32. Ready time. Update the zombies .push line of code. So name, DNA. Name DNA. Oh, it should be underscore level. Shouldn't it? Yeah, I think it should be underscore level and underscore ready time. I think, I'm not too sure. Okay, so that should be 1 because it's going to be level 1 no matter what, and then ready time is uint now plus cooldown time, which is ready time. So that's the level. Oh, that needs to be uint 32 because now goes into 256 by default, uint 256 by default. Okay, put it to the test. There's definitely... What's wrong here? Of course, we know what's wrong here. Try again. Okay, I'm not too sure about these. I thought this was correct, so do I just need to... Surely I need to create these as arguments for the one we're going to create. Is it because pretty much all of this has been made to be wrong? So did I just create that for no reason? Yes, I did. Okay, so they had two arguments there. Well, they were in the two kind of changeable arguments. The other two, the additional ones within the struct, were kind of predefined. Maybe that's right. I'm not too sure. Let's end it there. My name's Lou. Thank you for watching. If you can help me with some of the understanding there, because I'm a bit confused about the arguments, to be honest, please put in your comments if you have a bit of a better understanding than I do. But apart from that, thank you for watching. Please subscribing and like and all that good stuff. I've got a good few projects coming out soon that I've been working on that will change the flow of this YouTube channel. Should be good. Thank you, and catch you later.